What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today we're going to show you how to use the vocal auto correction on your Rock Party 9. Now this section to the right here allows us to use the vocal auto correction. We have a few different controls for this, so we have the key button that allows us to set the key of our auto correct. So say if I press this button and I land on the key of A, then the vocal correction will be in that key. And we have 12 different keys to choose from, so if you're singing along to a song, you can cycle between these 12 keys and see which one fits best. Next we have the snap button, which will overall determine how our voice snaps to the correct note. Now there's a few different options we have in this mode. So we have the near setting. This will guide our voice to the nearest note, whether we're flat or sharp. Then we have the up setting, and this is going to pitch our voice up to the next correct note. Then we have the low setting, which is going to pitch our voice down to the right note. And then you can just turn this off altogether. So without using this snap button, you're not going to notice too much of a difference in your voice. So we recommend setting this to one of the settings in order to notice the difference. We also recommend you use the accuracy button to notice the difference with the auto tune, and we have a few different settings for this as well. So we have the normal accuracy, which is more of a smoother auto tune, and then we have the better setting, which will work a bit faster. You can also just turn this off altogether, but again, we recommend using one of the settings we just went over. Next, we have the pitch plus button, which will bring the pitch of your voice higher, and the pitch minus button, which will bring the pitch of your voice lower. So now that we know the controls a bit better, let me show you how they work with our microphone here.
Check 1, 2. So again, we have the key button to set the key of our auto tune. For the example, I'm just going to set it to the key of E. Then we can use the snap button to determine how our voice will correct to that note. So I feel like the best setting here is the near setting for a more natural sound. Then I'm going to use the accuracy button here, and for today I'm going to set it to the better accuracy. So now if I sing into the mic, hello, you can hear my voice being corrected. And then we have the pitch buttons to shift the pitch of our voice. So if I set the pitch up,
Check 1, 2, check 1, 2. My voice sounds a lot higher.
and then we can pitch it down.
Hello, now my voice is super low.
So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to use the vocal auto correction with your Rock Party 9. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.